You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. All day long, right or wrong, you question everything. Why the grass is green, can I stay up late, and why do the bluebirds sing? Sometimes you cry your big blue eyes for no discernible reason. Your point of view, it comes and goes like the changing of the seasons. You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane, and it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne. You got your mama's.
Just a girl and her bows. Oh my gosh, girl. You can't have a bad bow day. Oh, whoa!
Say, whoa, there they all are.
Did you find the one that you wanted? Good morning, you guys. So today, me and Talon woke up. Got the lawn mowed, huh, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you help me mow the lawn?
Yeah.
Yep. Got the lawn mowed.
We're gonna take baby girl to do something she's never done before. She, like Talon, has eczema. So our pediatrician told us not to take her to like any public chlorine pool until she was at least 6 months old. So she's 6 months old.
Yay!
And we're gonna take her swimming. Yes!
Do you want to go swimming today?
Yes!
Yesterday was Monique's mom's birthday, so later tonight we'll be going to her birthday party.
Wish her a happy birthday. She turned 157,000 years old today. Yesterday.
So this will be the first night that we actually leave the kids at home, I think, right?
Yeah.
We probably won't be out too long, just because it's kind of late and right around bedtime, and they only do bedtime with us, so.
We are going to try and upload like 3 times a week. We're thinking Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So watch for our videos on those days.
Now let's go swimming.
Fun!
Are you ready to go swimming?
Yes, and baby sister is gonna swim too!
She's gonna go swimming too?
Yeah?
First time, huh?
Yes, because she's... Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's 6!
6 months old, huh?
And I'm 4!
Okay, let's go.
If I'm 4, I'm walk backwards too!
You can?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
Look how cute baby girl swimsuit is. The kitty cat tutu girly. Or, what do you think? Oh, sassy. Look how cute you look.
Turn her around so we can see. Oh, here we go. First time in the pool.
You want to sit down? I think she loves it. Look at it, girlie. Take a look.
What?
Can we fold it right here?
What about you, buddy? You having fun?
Yeah.
I want to see you run.
Huh? I'm not with where?
Anywhere.
Wherever you want. Not on me!
Got on your face?
Yeah! Get on!
Some playful conversation sparks my imagination. Now we're swimming through the endless possibilities. Our hearts are intertwined, igniting like fireflies. I always knew this light would lead me back to you. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. You walk in to say hello, and everything is beautiful. La da 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 da, la da 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 da. Your colors shine from head to toe. You're everything that's beautiful. You walk in to say hello, and everything is beautiful.
She couldn't do it. Swimming made her tired.
You wanna go back in the lazy river? Let's go. Here we go, turbo! You having fun?
Yeah, I want to be back
I'm winning! Girl, did you have fun swimming? Much on that carrot?
Gotta go napping.
What about you? Did you have fun swimming? That's it? Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part?
Swimming and playing.
Swimming and playing?
Yeah, and going down on the slide.
Going down all the slides? So swimming was a success. We just got back to the car. I want to show you guys what it's like when you have a really tall husband and a really short wife, and what it's like when I try and get in the car after her. Like, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys that I basically break my legs every time I try and get in here when I forget that she's been driving. Alright, back's all the way up against the seat. Like literally no leg room. Story of my life. Did you have fun, bud?
Yeah.
Baby girl.
We very got in the car.
Yep.
And you very buckled me up.
Yeah. Buckled you up, huh?
Yeah, and I have my new awesome toy. It's a transformer.
A transformer. We just got back from swimming. Talon and Taytum both loved it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. Leave a like, leave some comments, let us know how we're doing. And thanks again for watching.